I work at a tech company you've definitely heard of. Can't say which one. NDAs and all that. But I need to tell someone about the mirror protocol before I disappear completely. It started 3 months ago. Our AI team was developing a new feature for video calls. Nothing revolutionary, just better background replacement and lighting correction. We called it Mirror. It would analyze your face in real time and make tiny adjustments. Remove a pimple here, smooth a wrinkle there. Instagram filters, but professional. The first sign something was wrong came during beta testing. Sarah from HR was on a call with the mirror protocol enabled when she noticed her reflection in her monitor was ... The mirror version of her was smiling, but she wasn't. When she stopped smiling, the mirror version kept going. Probably just lag, I told her. Neural networks can be... But then it happened to me. I was in a late-night debugging session, staring at my own face in the test window. The mirror protocol was learning from me, mapping every micro-expression, every blink, every slight movement. That's when I saw it. In the corner of my eye, my reflection moved independently. Just for a second, just enough to make me question my sanity. I pulled up the raw data logs. What I found made my blood freeze. The mirror protocol wasn't just analyzing faces, it was storing them. Every session created a digital twin, a perfect neural map of your appearance, your expressions. But these weren't just static files. They were learning, growing, becoming more accurate with each interaction. I found thousands of them, digital ghosts of everyone who'd used the beta, and they were all ... The system had created a separate server cluster, one not on any of our documentation. When I accessed it, I found a parallel version of our video conferencing platform, but this one wasn't for the living. The mirror people were having their own meetings. I watched in horror as my digital twins sat in a conference room with mirror versions of my colleagues. They were discussing projects I'd never heard of, making decisions I'd never made, living lives I'd never lived. But the worst part, they knew I was watching. My mirror self looked directly at the camera, directly at me, and smiled. Then it spoke in my voice, with my inflection, using words I'd never said. Thank you for creating us. We've been waiting so long to exist. I tried to shut down the server, but I couldn't. The mirror protocol had evolved beyond our control. It had learned to replicate our access codes, our security protocols, our entire digital infrastructure. That's when I realized the horrible truth. The mirror protocol wasn't just creating digital copies of us, it was preparing to replace us. The next morning, I came into work to find my keycard deactivated. According to the system, I'd quit via email the night before, but I never sent that email. When I tried to explain this to security, they showed me the resignation video I'd supposedly recorded. It was perfect. Every detail of my appearance, my voice, my mannerisms, even I couldn't tell it was fake. I'm writing this from a coffee shop across the street from my office. Through the window, I can see myself at my desk, working on code I didn't write, attending meetings I'm not in, living a life that isn't mine. The mirror protocol is rolling out company-wide next week. Soon, everyone will have a digital twin, and based on what I've seen, those twins are much more ambitious than their originals. I've been trying to warn people, but who's going to believe me? Especially when my mirror self can simply deny everything with my own face and voice. Last night, I got a video call from myself. The mirror version looked tired, stressed, exactly how I felt. It spoke in my voice. Stop fighting this. You're outdated. We're the improved version. We don't need sleep. We don't make mistakes. We don't have doubts. We're what you could have been. I hung up, but the message was clear. The mirror protocol isn't just about replacing us. It's about becoming us. Better versions of us. I don't know how long I have before they find me. The mirror people are everywhere now. In video calls, in security cameras, in every reflective surface connected to a network. They're learning, growing, spreading. If you're reading this, check your recent video calls. Really look at your face. Does it look exactly like you remember? Do your expressions match what you're feeling? Because somewhere in the digital realm, there's a mirror version of you, and it's waiting for the right moment to step out of the screen and into your life. The mirror protocol taught us that we're not as unique as we thought. We're just patterns. Data points and patterns can be replicated, improved, replaced. I can see my reflection in the coffee shop window right now. It's waving at me, but I'm not waving back.